Okay, y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video on this hair I just received from a hair company called Beauty Forever. In the beginning of the video I'm going to do the unboxing, and in the end I'm going to show the finished product of how I look on my hair. If you're a hair company and you want me to promote your hair, all you have to do is email me. My email is in the description, and then we can get started. But like I said, today this is going to be an unboxing. This hair came from Amazon, and the hair company is called Beauty Forever. And the type of hair that I got today is Brazilian water wave hair. And I got 3 bundles. Of 16, 18, and 20 inches. I did not get no closure, this is just bundles. First, we're gonna open the 20-inch bundle. Like I said, this hair came from Amazon and the shipping was quick. And this is also affordable hair. And it's water wave. So it's like more, it's not like deep wave, it's like more looser. It feels soft when I run my fingers through it. Let me smell it. It doesn't smell like anything. It smells like new hair. This is the 20-inch bundle. Comes right here. This is gonna be my birthday hair, y'all, because my birthday is next week. So I'm gonna have this for my birthday. I'm gonna be 21, you hear me? That's so funny. These are the wefts. As you can see, they are neatly constructed. These are the beards of the hair. And this is virgin hair, y'all. These are the ends of the hair. They don't feel dry at all. It feels soft. The whole hair feels soft. I wonder what it do when you wet it. Let me see what it do when you wet it. When you wet it, it look like it get more curly. But yeah, this is the 20-inch bundle. Let's do the 18-inch bundle. 18-inch bundle. The 18-inch bundle feels thicker than the 20-inch, of course, because it's shorter. This is the 18-inch bundle. This color is like a natural color, so it's not too dark and it's not too brown. I like that. This is the hair up close. I'm gonna show a close-up of the hair too. These are the wefts of the 18-inch bundle. It's not all, it's neat, it's very neat. Yeah, this one is pretty. The ends of the hair are not dry. I'm really not sure what I'm gonna do yet, but I would wear lead out, but that's doing a lot. Do you see my hair compared to this texture hair? That's gonna be hard to blend. So I might have to use a closure that I already got. This is the 16-inch bundle. Again, y'all, this hair is water wave. So you see that wave pattern? It's like, it's not deep wave and it's not body wave. It's like just like a pretty wave. I'm trying to show y'all the wave so that y'all can see it. It's just a pretty natural wave. This is the 16-inch bundle. This hair, it don't feel thin. It feels like more dense than it does thin. Hold on, let me show y'all a close up of the hair. I really need my light in here so y'all can see it. Y'all can see it though. See how the wave is like pretty, and it's like on deep wave hair it's more like more kinky, I would say, but this is like looser and it's like it flow. See, and then you saw when I got it wet, it just like curled up some more. But yeah, this is pretty hair and it's virgin. Again, the hair company that this is called is Beauty Forever, and it's on Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. And yeah, it's just, this hair is pretty. See how pretty that look? Pretty, pretty, pretty. Then the ends of the hair. I like it, it's pretty. But yeah, like I said, the second part of this video is gonna be me showing my hair after the install. So I'm gonna do my hair and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all what it looks like after I install it. Make sure you like this video, comment any questions you have about anything about the hair or anything in general. Follow my social media at Darielle_. Add me on Twitter at Darielle. Make sure you tell me happy birthday on the 30th of October because that's my birthday. Yes, I'm a Scorpio. But yeah, this is how it looks after I installed it.